Kona Nui Night. Did you all enjoy tonight? Cool.
Awesome, yeah, by the way.
Man, you know, I'm serious. I was over there. I was just like in a trance with the music. Oh my God, the harmony. Oh, you guys, unreal. Unreal. No, I was not falling asleep, Sean. I was in a trance, man. I was like, wow.
No, tonight was a really different evening, especially for me, and I'm listening to all of the lovely mele that are coming from up here in the front.
Yes.
And I just, lately I've been overwhelmed with things, but tonight was a really wonderful evening. I hope that you all have enjoyed yourself as much as I have. And I was there earlier catching some live video. And you know, I love this because in another venue, you may not be able to do that. You know, where you and I can move around and we can and mingle with the people. It's just great. I love it here. So
we do. So come on back again. October 16th, we'll have Natalie Aikamau and Kakaʻako Hiki for you here at our next Kona Nui Nights. Again, that's October 16th. Okay, we're gonna see you guys back here. Yes. Okay. Cool. Any closing thoughts for tonight?
I have something that I would like to leave as a special aloha to all of you. A lot of you might be going around town and you're seeing a lot of Hawaiian flags on the road, and you might be seeing people beep their horns at each other, and you hear all kinds of stuff, people saying aloha aina, they're saying kukia imauna. For those of you who are not familiar, be not afraid. Be not afraid. Just know that there's a whole lot more connection with this land than you might think. And as the benefactress of the Victoria Ward lands, she flew the Hawaiian flag over the canopy of her bed, for she said that her last breath would be taken underneath the flag of Hawaii. And with that, I leave you this short mele, and it says to everyone, may my flag wave forevermore in the highest of heavens over these islands, and may things be peaceful and tranquil. Answer, beloved Hawaii, to your name. And it calls out to all of us, not only Kanaka, but all those who love Hawaii, our people and our culture, to show yourselves and to be present and to come together. So stand with me right away, and I will sing this all for you. Evelo mauloa ku'u hai aloha Ikanu'uoka levalani la ai maluhi anona kauakau e o Hawaiʻi ku'u aina aloha e ku'u Lāhui e vivo ole ku kanaka oni pa'amau ua mau ke ao ka aina I ka pono ua mau ke ao ka aina I ka pono ua mau ke ao ka aina I ka pono ua mau ke ao ka aina I ka pono. No leila, ladies and gentlemen, I am Kumu Hina.
Paroi.
Mahalo for joining us. Mahalo, 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 and aloha.
Aloha.